The ultimate DIY swinging mailbox post. Let's face it, traditional mailbox posts can be a hassle. They're not always durable and they lack personality. But what if your mailbox post could swing, literally, with style and function? Imagine never worrying about bumps from snowplows or delivery mishaps again. Sounds cool, right? Well, today we're building your very own swinging mailbox post. This isn't just about fixing common mailbox woes like accessibility and wear. It's about DIYing something that's practical and adds charm to your home. A swinging mailbox post is durable, creative, and perfect for standing out in the neighborhood. Here's what you'll need: a sturdy post, bolts, brackets, tools, and your DIY spirit. First, gather everything together. Next, we'll cut, drill, assemble, and anchor the parts to create a secure base and swing arm. I'll share pro tips along the way to make sure your project is seamless, even for beginners. Now for the big reveal, your masterpiece is ready. Check out how smoothly it swings and how sharp it looks by the curb. This project is not just functional, it's a conversation starter. Thinking of diving into your own swinging mailbox post? Let me know your DIY ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more videos for endless DIY inspiration. Happy crafting!